Okay, Alex, you're just showing me the door threshold.
Yeah, I mean, the door threshold, you know where the door threshold comes from? Years ago, straw was used as a carpet, so they put the straw in the house to keep you warm, and that's what you would walk on. And it's thresh, a threshing machine. So thresh is straw that's had the seeds cut off, left for this thresh.
Okay.
So the threshold is the bit that stopped the straw
coming out the house.
Coming out the house, that's all it is.
Well, you learn something new every day.
And people don't know that. So it's
How many stories have I heard from you, and I've never heard that one?
So it's just a stress. It's just a straw retainer. But now we don't use straw. So basically, it's a weather retainer that stops the inclement weather coming through the bottom of the door, not the thresh or the straw going out the house. But invariably they take a lot of pounding.
Well, the thing is, you're stepping on them, aren't there? Lots of people, rather than step in,
you step on
them. They do step on them, and they get damaged, and they get really dirty.
This has been stepped on, you know. And I mean, it's the way they make windows and doors. It's just as simple as that. All windows and doors are made like this, with this plastic threshold. It's got a thin coating of the colour on it. So in a short period of time, they start to wear out. When we redesigned the studios, it was just one of them things on the tick box. I thought, well, if we're changing the downpipes and we're changing the windows, why don't we change the threshold?
So what have you changed it to?
So we've got one over here. So this is now our door. So it's stainless steel. So the threshold is a stainless steel threshold. So it's lower than that other one, which is good for, you know, you've just got enough room there to get a doormat under. And it's cleaner. It's, you know.
And I would imagine a heck of a lot easier to keep clean.
Yeah, and it's not going to wear out. So therefore it's not going to become, you know.
So even if people are stepping on it, it's not a problem because it's steel rather than plastic.
Yeah, stainless steel, so it's not going to
So again, tying in with the 25 years, you are thinking about every aspect of the life of this building.
You're trying to make things last longer. That's what you're trying to do. And simpler.
Yeah, that reminds me of a modern car door.
Yeah. We're talking about getting them sign written, acid etched, but we haven't found somebody to do that yet.
Yeah, but
maybe somebody's watching this video who does that.
Yeah, but it just looks that much more professional and stronger and easier to keep clean.
Yeah, and it's smoother. Yeah.
Brilliant. Thanks for that.